Hi, my name is Paul. I'm 23 years old and I'm a student from Germany. And this is not my first N-Conference, but obviously it's the first in New York. And I have two things to say about this conference today. So first of all, really great organization. The time schedule was perfect. The location was really nice. And the second thing is that the speakers were very interesting. And I had a lot of good inspirations today. And I'm looking forward to meeting everybody again. And this was a great experience.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm also a student, and I just have to say this was my first N-Conference, and here in New York, of course, amazing, incredibly insightful, meticulously organized, with highly specialized and experienced experts that gave amazing insights and shared amazing stories. So overall, I can just say definitely worth the time, and thank you very much. I'll come back.